All right, the good news is we've got a chance of rain.
That is great.
Okay, we've got a chance of rain on the 7-day. The bad news is what's going to happen before that, Audrey. It looks like we're going to even get hotter than what we're experiencing outside right now. This heat wave is not over. In fact, it's supposed to peak a little bit later this week. And then we're going to start talking about some rain chances. A live look outside around town. We've got some breaks in the cloud cover. Started mostly cloudy. That's always good. It's great to get some exercise early. Get out under the clouds before the heat is on, before the sun is really baking. And that's really going to be the most enjoyable unless it's late at night, because that's at least when the winds start to pick up. Here's Calaveras Lake, and you can see some of these clouds breaking out, and we've got some nice blue sky fighting through. A little bit of haze, so I wanted to show you air quality. This is great news. Look at this. Good air quality statewide. Rarely do you see this, so that is a good improvement from what we've been dealing with. All right, now the temperatures. This is something else. 103 New Braunfels, Lackland Air Force Base, Devine, Castroville, 95 at Bernie, 99 Bandera. That doesn't look too bad at all. But 103 Lackland, 104 Pleasanton, 99 at George West. That looks pretty good too. But then factor in the humidity and look at the feels like temperatures out here. What your body thinks, the thermometer says. 107 in San Antonio, 110 down I-35, 106 Del Rio. It's been several days since we've seen these kind of heat indices. They're up there. New Braunfels feels like 109. Gonzales, 110. All right, so with our 102 on the thermometer now, that makes it 69 days of triple-digit heat this summer, a brand new record. We could see a couple of sea breeze showers, nothing in San Antonio. They try to get started, but most of them are around Houston. As I step back off camera, and you can see that a few scattered showers did make it into H-Town, but not much in our direction at all. Look at how dry things are out there. This is water vapor imagery. I mean, rarely do you see it this dry. This is incredible. I mean, you can see some of the cumulus clouds firing some of those showers in extreme East Texas into Louisiana. Here's a little impulse along a frontal boundary. That's right, a cold front dropping down towards Oklahoma City where it's 102, 91 Amarillo, 84 in Albuquerque. Doesn't look too bad. But this front, don't get your hopes up. The only thing that could happen, maybe an outflow boundary is sent in our direction for a few showers in the hill country tomorrow or maybe Thursday. But with it already going stationary, it's not getting much farther south than where you see it right now. But when will a cold front get this far south? Well, take a look. I'm talking about the first cold front. When we can say cold front and get afternoon highs below 80, on average, that's September 17th. Last year, a month late. Below 70, October 19th. Last year, also about a month late. Now, the blue northers, they usually are reserved for November and December, and they are also trending late in the last couple of years. So keep that in mind. We're getting close. At least we're in September. In the meantime, this is why we're going to get a chance of rain. The high that has moved east now is going to retreat back to the west as we start next week. So we could start seeing a disturbance or two from the north or even some sea breeze showers move in our direction. This is getting better. The rainfall forecast over the next 7 days, at least maybe a quarter of an inch now. So it's at least moving in the right direction. But if we can get up to a half an inch or 3/4 of an inch, that would be nice. No change in the meantime. 101 to 102 to a 104 degree high on Friday, which of course would make it 72 to 73 triple digit days. Sunday would be 74, but at least we get the chance of rain. There it is on Sunday. As we start next week, 20%. 10% Monday, and then the front on Tuesday of next week is scheduled with isolated showers as well. So we've got something to look forward to, Alana.
The rain is coming after